Colonel, motherfucker.
Motherfucking P cutter. Probably didn't have the video cam all the way up. Reckless Minds, bitch.
Reckless Minds coming at you, got me, P cutter, coming at you with a gun, or a gun, I got you cutter. Since I'm by the taste, I got you for the shit. I'm not a good freestyler.
Not a good freestyler, motherfucking wicked wilder, motherfucking yeah, steady profiling. Fuck that nigga named Chris. Say we ain't doing shit, nothing on face but some fucking graphics. Yeah, fucked up. Motherfucker, I don't give a fuck, so what's up? You wanna come at me all sideways? Well, I got these rhymes for days, and the motherfucking shit that I say just sprays in your face. Nigga, yeah, I look at you quick, and your face is decaying. Are you listening to this motherfucking words that I'm saying? Reckless Minds taking over into 2013. You better get with it, nigga, or you can't fuck with my team. I'm motherfucking P cutter, dirty and wild, and I don't give a fuck. This is my crazy freestyle. My nigga Nocturnal, and we do it forever. And I could give a fuck, motherfucker, do it under the weather. Nigga, come and test this. I'm the fucking best kid. I don't give a fuck, I'm on the motherfucking guest list. Yeah, fucking reckless. Motherfucker wanna know. You can suck my dick, you hoe. I don't give a fuck. This is the way we fucking go, though. I ain't no motherfucking bitch ass hoe, but I'll punch you in your face and then punch you in your mouth, though.